These are part of the radiator support. I don't know, reinforcement bar extensions. I have no idea, but these have to come out in order for the radiator support to come out nice and smooth. So I'm gonna raise it back up. So we're gonna go ahead and take this little cover off. Splash shield. After removing the bumper, it's easy. You can see everything. And there's only 2 screws here. I think it's a quarter turn. You just turn and see how it just 1 quarter turn, the thing comes off. And the same thing here. And I'm afraid to see what kind of a mess we dug ourselves into. So these guys slide into the radiator support. So it's like the splash shield. Very simple. Even if you have the bumper on the car, it's literally just 2 screws in the back and the thing slides off. And oh my God, this is an oily mess. We're gonna go ahead and take these guys off. There's these 2 big, what are these, 17s?
I hope they aren't 16s.
Oh, it cannot be 16s. Are you shitting me?
Are those 15s?
These ginormous bolts. There's 2 on each side.
Is that what they ended up at? I didn't think a 15 fit. Is that what they are?
They're 16s. I'm taking a little flathead and I'm gonna tap on the back side. And hopefully it wants to come out. It doesn't want to come out, Rich.
It comes out.
I know it comes out, but.
I wouldn't hit it. I'd hit it right here with the hammer. Here, hit it.
Here are the edges right here?
Yeah. Keep coming.
Is a plastic piece in there?
No, missing.
Okay.
I don't really need them, but it keeps water out of the frame, I guess. I don't know.
Whew.
Being careful not to hit this.
Yeah.
Then you're in trouble.
Do your best not to kill that. Okay.